David, a young man struggling to find work, walked into a deli with just a few coins in his pocket. He asked for the cheapest sandwich, but admitted he couldn't afford much. The deli owner, an older man, smiled warmly and gave him a full meal for free. Before David could protest, the owner handed him a note. "One day, when you're doing well, help someone else." Years later, David, now a business owner, recognized a young job seeker in need. He hired him on the spot and included the same handwritten note with his first paycheck.